To proceed, exercise 1.2 of sets. The first question. Question number 1. Write which of the following are examples of the null set. We have to say that which of the following are the examples of null set. Which of the following are examples of null set. Null set or empty set. Null set means a set having no any element is called null set. The first part is set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Set of odd natural numbers set of all odd natural numbers divisible by 2. So we have to say whether it is null set or not. So odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Odd natural numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7 and odd numbers are not divisible by 2. So it is an example of null set. This is the null set because there is no any elements in odd natural numbers which are divisible by 2. There is no any number. There is no any odd natural numbers which are divisible by 2. So this is null example of null set. Second is set of even prime numbers. Set of even prime numbers. This is not a null set because there is one even prime number which is 2. 2 is the even prime number. So it has one element 2. So it is not a null set because 2 is the even prime number. So this set has element 2. So this is not a null set. Then x such that x is a natural number. X such that x is a natural number. X such that x is a natural number where x is less than 5. X is less than 5 and x is greater than 7. x is less than 5. 5 से छोटा और 7 से greater. 5 से smaller और 7 से greater. ऐसा कोई natural number possible ही नहीं. 5 से तो less 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1 और 7 से greater 8, 9, 10. So 5 से छोटा और 7 से greater. Not possible. So this is a null set. This is a null set. Then part 4. Y such that y is a point common to any parallel lines. Y such that y is a point common to any parallel lines. Common to any parallel lines. So this is also not a null set because y such that y is a point common to any parallel lines. Common to any parallel lines. So if there are any parallel lines common, there are two parallel lines A and B, So there are lot of points common. So this is not a null set. Now question number second. Question number 2. Which of the following are finite or infinite? Which of the following? Which of the following are finite and non-finite? We have to say which of the following are finite or non-finite. Example, the set of months of a year. First part is the set of months of a year. So we know that there are 12 months in a year, which is countable. So this is a finite set. This is finite. We can count the months of the year. Next, 1, 2, 3 dash dash. 1, 2, 3 dash dash. This is infinite because there is no exact number. So this is infinite. अगर यहाँ डैश डैश नहीं होगा, जब 1, 2, 3 होता तो फाइनाइट होगा. Dash dash means uncountable. Next is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 dash dash 99 and 100. So this is finite. This is finite set because it can be counted. There are 100 numbers, which is finite. The set of positive integers greater than 100. The set of positive integers. The set of positive integers greater than 100. 100 से greater positive integers. So there are infinite positive integers greater than 100. So this is also a infinite set. Set of positive integers greater than 100 is a infinite set. Then fifth is set of prime numbers less than 99. Set of prime numbers less than 99. Set of prime numbers less than 99. So we can find out, we can count the numbers prime numbers less than 99. So this is also a finite set. Now next question, question number 3. State whether each of the following sets are finite or infinite. Again, we have to say that whether the given set is a finite or infinite. The first part is the set of lines which are parallel to the x-axis. The set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. So we can draw infinite lines parallel to x-axis. So many lines can be drawn parallel to x-axis. this is infinite set of lines which are parallel to x-axis is infinite. Then set of letters in the English alphabet. Set of letters in the English alphabet. So we know that there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. So this is finite. Set of letters in the English alphabet is a finite set. The set of numbers which are multiple of 5. Set of numbers which are multiple of 5. Which are multiple of 5. So this is also infinite set because there are large number of elements which are multiple of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, dash dash. So this is infinite set. Set of numbers which are multiple of 5 is a infinite set. The set of animals living on earth. Set of elements living on earth. Set of animals living on the earth. This is also finite set. We can find the set of elements which are living in the world, on the earth. Next, the set of circles. The set of circles through origin 0, 0. The set of circles through origin 0, 0. This is infinite set. Infinite number of circles can be drawn with center 0, 0. This is also infinite set. Now, question number 4. In the following set, whether A equals to B or not. Question number 4. Whether A equals to B or not. We have to say whether A equals to B or not. First is A, B, C, D. Set A is A, B, C, D. Having the elements of the set A, B, C, D. Set B is D, C, B, A. D, C, B. So both sets have the same element. Set A has the element A, B, C, D, and set B has also the element A, B, C, D. So here we can say that A equals to set A equals to B, and they are called equal sets. They are equal sets. Second, set A equals to 4, 8, 12, 16. 4, 8, 12, 16. And set B equals to 8, 4, 16, 18. Yeah, 8, 4, 8, 4, 16 and 18. So this is not an equal set because in set A there is 4, 8, 12, 16. Here is 4, 8, 16, but 12 is not available, and here is 18 extra, which is not in set A. So we can say that they are not equal sets. Means A is not equals to B. Both have not the same elements. Third part, A equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. A equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Set A equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B equals to x such that x is a positive even integer. X such that x is a positive even integer and x is greater than equals to 10. X is greater than equals to 10.
10 is greater than.
X is
10 greater than x equals to.
X is less than equals to 10. X is less than equals to 10. So we write in the roster form. X is a positive integer less than 10. So the positive even integer less than 10 is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. There is less than equal to. So here both have the same elements. So we can say that A equals to B. They are the equal sets. A equals to B because both the sets have the same element. Part 4. Set A equals to x such that x is multiple of 10. X such that x is multiple of 10. And there is another set B. B equals to 10, 15, 20. B equals to 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, dash dash. So x is a multiple of 10. So we write in roster form. Then we get 10, 20, 30, 40, dash dash. So A and B do not have the same elements because here is 15 but here is not 15. So we can say that they are not equal sets. A is not equals to B. Then question number 5. Are the following pair of sets are equal? Give reasons. Are the following pair of sets are equal? Are the following pair of sets are equal? Give reason also. The set is A equals to 2, 3. Set A equals to 2, 3 and set B equals to x such that x is a solution of B equals to x such that x is a solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 equals to b. X square plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. So we solve this quadratic equation. This is the quadratic equation. So x square plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. Solve by splitting the middle term. 5x is written as 2x plus 3x plus 6 equals to 0. From first two terms x is common, we get x plus 2. From next two terms 3 is common, so we get x plus 2. Then x plus 2 and x plus 3 equals to 0, and we say that x equals to minus 2 and x equals to minus 3. So set B comes to be minus 2 minus 3. So the element of set A is 2 comma 3 and the elements of set B is minus 2 comma minus 3. So we can say that they are not equal sets because they have no elements common. Both have the different elements, so they are not equal sets. Now next part. Part second. In this also we have to say whether the sets are equal or not. A equals to x such that x is a letter. Let A equals to x such that x is a letter. X is a letter in the word follow. X is a letter in the word follow. And set B is y such that y is a letter in the word. B equals to y such that y is a letter in the word wolf. So we write both the sets in roster form. So in roster form, set A is given by F O L W. Each letter is written once. And in roster form, set B is represented by also F, there is O, there is L, and there is W. So since both sets have the same elements, so we can say that these two sets are equal sets. A equals to B. Now for question number 6. We have given number of sets and we have to select examples of equal sets. Select examples of equal sets. And we have given set A equals to 2, 4, 8, 12. Set A equals to 2, 4, 8, 12. Then set B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And set C equals to set C equals to
4, 8, 12.
4, 8, 12, 14. And set D equals to
3, 1, 4, 2.
3, 1,
4, 2.
4, 2. And then
E.
set E equals to
Minus 1 and 1.
minus 1
And 1. Comma 1.
minus 1 comma 1.
F.
And F equals to
0, comma A.
0 comma
A.
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 0 comma 0. 0 comma 0. Set F equals to 0 comma 0. And set G equals to 1 comma minus 1. Mistake. and set H equals to
0,
0, 1. So which of the following are the equal sets? We have to select the examples of equal sets. So set B and set E are equal sets because it has elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and it has also elements 1, 2, 3, 4. So B equals to D. First is B equals to D. Then set E. E is -1, 1 and G is also -1, 1. So set E equals to G. So these two are the equal sets. B equals to D and E equals to G. They are the equal sets.